How's it going to all you urban car dwellers? Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your passenger seat on a 1997 Ford Ranger. Didn't really see a good video on this because there is a special little tool you need to get the fifth screw out. So here's everything you're going to need. You're going to want a socket wrench, you're going to want this 3-inch extension right here, and we'll be using a 10mm. That'll get the 4 main bolts out. You might need a flathead screwdriver as a wedge. I'll show you why in a second. And then this little guy right here. It is a torque bit, and this is size T50. So you want a T50 3/8" drive torque bit. So first you'll take your socket wrench with the 10mm and you'll get the 4 main bolts off. So right here, already got them off. The other 2 behind the seat. This is by the center console. Then you've got this plastic casing on top of this one. This one pops off real easy. If you just reach down the very bottom on the corner here, pull out, it'll come right off. That'll expose your 4th bolt right there. So then you got this little guy right here. So that's what the torque bit is for. This right here, I'm sure there's a way to get this off easily, but I did just kind of wedge it out of there because I'm planning on removing the seat and putting a piece of wood down and sort of making a bed area right here. So we can see the T50 fits. Alright, I hope you're still tuned in because I got to put a tip in here. I could not break it with this little wrench. I actually had to go get my torquing wrench, and now I've finally got it going. So that is a tough one right there. Got that out. Looks like you can see straight through to the ground now. So I'm going to try and get this out of this casing, put it back in there and cover the hole. I was able to push up through the bottom and get this out. So we'll go ahead and put that back. And the seat should be totally free now. We can just get this on out of here. So right, this 5th screw. That's the whole deal. I didn't see any video about it. That's why I wanted to make this video. Now I'm going to measure some wood out. Start putting a platform for a bed in here and possibly a little table in the corner. Thanks for watching. Hope it all goes well for you. Leave any comments below and stay tuned for more.